Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into something crucial for all headphone users: comfort. Specifically, we'll talk about all-day headphone comfort. We've all been there, headphones on for hours, whether working, gaming, or enjoying music. But how do different headphones hold up? Are they still comfortable after a long day? Let's find out. Why is all-day comfort so important? If headphones cause pain or discomfort, it can ruin your experience. Headaches, ear fatigue, and pressure sores can become problems. Comfort lets us immerse ourselves in audio, whether music, podcasts, or calls. So, how do we evaluate comfort? Several factors matter. First, the type of headphone. Over-ear headphones often offer better comfort because they distribute weight more evenly. If the ear cups are too small or the clamping force is too strong, they can still become uncomfortable. On-ear headphones can be lighter but cause more pressure and heat. In-ear headphones, or earbuds, are different. The ear tip's shape and materials are critical. Poor fit causes fatigue and pain. Next, materials. Ear cup and headband padding are key. Look for soft, breathable materials like memory foam or velour to reduce pressure and dissipate heat. Avoid materials that trap heat and sweat. A well-padded headband helps distribute weight, reducing pressure points. Adjustment mechanisms should be smooth. Clamping force is another consideration. A stronger force gives a secure fit but can cause discomfort. Look for headphones with adjustable clamping force or a design that balances security with comfort. Weight distribution is also significant. A well-balanced design is crucial, minimizing pressure. Lighter headphones with proper padding sometimes feel more comfortable. Features that boost comfort include adjustable ear cups and headbands. Swivel ear cups can improve the seal and comfort. Breathable materials prevent heat and sweat buildup. Consider open-back headphones for better airflow, though they leak sound. Removable and replaceable ear cups are great for hygiene. Tips for maximizing comfort: take breaks every hour. Remove your headphones for a few minutes. Experiment with different headphone types. Try different sizes to find the best fit. Clean your headphones regularly. Consider a headphone stand for proper storage. So, a look at headphone comfort. Consider headphone type, materials, clamping force, and features. Don't forget breaks and cleaning. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone. Today, we're diving into headphone comfort. A big deal if you're a music lover, gamer, or work-from-home person. We're reviewing comfort after all-day wear. We all know the feeling of relief when taking off headphones after a long day. We'll explore what makes headphones comfortable for extended use. First, let's talk about key comfort factors. Ear cup design is crucial. Over-ear headphones often offer the best comfort, fully enclosing the ear and distributing pressure. On-ear headphones can be lighter but might press directly on the ear. Consider the materials. Memory foam ear cups are great, molding to your ear and minimizing pressure. Breathability is also important. Headphones with breathable materials prevent your ears from getting too hot and sweaty. Next, the headband's role. Adjustable headbands are a must. They let you find the perfect fit and distribute weight. Look for headbands with ample padding, like memory foam or soft leatherette, which reduces pressure on your head. Clamping force matters too. Too much squeezing causes headaches. Too loose, and they move. A balanced clamping force is essential. Weight is important as well. Heavier headphones can cause neck strain and fatigue. Lightweight ones are generally more comfortable. However, heavier headphones can sometimes offer better sound isolation. So, consider your priorities. Let's talk about headphone types. Over-ear headphones generally offer the best comfort. They provide excellent sound isolation and often have plush ear cups and headbands. On-ear headphones, as mentioned, are lighter but can cause ear fatigue. In-ear headphones, or earbuds, can be comfortable for some, but many find them irritating after a few hours. The fit is crucial. Use the right size ear tips. What about materials? Memory foam ear cups conform to your ear. Leather or leatherette can trap heat. Fabric and velour are more breathable. Consider the climate you'll be using them in. How do you test headphone comfort for all-day wear? Wear them for hours. Seriously, that's the best way. Start with a few hours and increase wear time. Pay attention to pressure, heat, and any discomfort. Adjust as needed. Take breaks. Give your ears and head a rest, especially if you're new to long headphone use. Stand, stretch, and give your ears a chance to breathe. What are some of the best headphones for all-day comfort? Well, it depends on your budget and preferences. Generally, Bose, Sony, and Sennheiser models are known for comfort. Read reviews. Look for user feedback on comfort specifically. What works for one might not work for another. Try them out yourself. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.